Hello fam, this is SHIFUWEALTH with you. I want to welcome you to the House of Wealth channel. In this channel, we cover content and educational content that has to do with Web3 as well as trading. Whatever Web3 related, we're referring to cryptos, NFTs, DeFi, whatever can help you achieve financial freedom in the world of Web3 as well as trading the financial markets is what we cover here as well. And today we're going to be talking about crypto market tricks for 2022. This is actually an excerpt from a live video I heard, I think that was last month or two. We heard, I think that was on Facebook, where I was to teach on crypto tricks that people should use in maximizing the bearish state of 2022. And there were a couple of points. We had about 4 to 5 points, but I was able to talk about just two of them in that video on our Facebook page. I couldn't go into detail, but on this video right now, I just want to basically summarize each and every one of the steps and put those that I wasn't able to mention. I want to just mention every single one of it, and I hope this you learn from this and it helps you make so much money. The first crypto trick, which I talked about, was the DXY relativity to BTC, and how the DXY gives us a sentiment of what we should expect in the cryptocurrency markets. And when the DXY moves inverse to Bitcoin, it moves inverse to BTC. And I gave a highlight. I think, let me see if I could share my screen. I give a highlight of what you could expect, and we should, if we're going to have a sweep of this liquidity on the DXY, price going to move up to the 105 1089 region, which is where it is, and then we should expect a retracement, and this retracement is going to be a sell down. That the DXY is bullish, meaning we are in a bearish market, meaning we are in a bearish cycle. And so as long as this just continue to keep going up, we are in that bearish market. But in between going up, it won't just go up forever. There is what we call a bullish structure and a bearish structure in the study of the market structure. A bullish structure consists of higher highs and higher lows. Meanwhile, a bearish structure consists of lower lows and lower highs. So now this is a bullish structure, and therefore after a higher high like this, there should be a higher low. And I anticipate that the month of June should give us a higher low, as well as if maybe July as well. But and when we see the way this month started with so much bullish force, like we're just boom 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 boom. But however, it is currently selling down. It's currently selling down, which is giving us that bias that okay, possibly by the end of this month we have a couple of days or about a week or so for the month to end. I don't know what's today's date again. I think today's should be 26th of May. So we in 26th of May, we have 4 days to go before the day it's over, the month is over, and we could get this close. And but the thing here is, even if it closes, it's not like the market is totally going to turn bearish, in the sense of the DXY is going to totally turn bearish. Basically, what you want to see is it's going to come down and then continue going up. So this was really what I was telling you guys about, that we're expecting it into this zone. If it comes into this zone anywhere, it should plan on going up. Like if you look on the daily, this was a higher high, a higher low, and a higher high, and the price have actually broken structure. So the price has broken structure here. We've had a daily BOS already. A daily BOS already. So now we've had a daily BOS. What should we expect? Normally we expect a little run up. Coming. A little run up. It might a little run up, and if this run up happens, what could go to be is basically, let me just maximize this alone. Now if this run up happens, we could get this, something like this is gonna play out, something like, okay, it goes up and then comes down, something like this. It could happen, something goes up and then comes down. And when this happens, what should follow? What should follow to this? Like this could happen. This is just I'm not saying it is gonna happen, but this could happen. Trying to combine it with the bias of sentiment I already gave us regarding the market state. So if we get this, something like a push up. This is going to be like that means there could be like a fall. There should be a fall. Let's say a fall to 26,000, 25,000, like a BTC fall, no matter how many, I don't know how many fall is going to be. And that fall is going to be like, it's not going to last too long. That fall, if BTC falls, like if BTC goes down, like really down as many people are expecting, it will not last long. It will go down and it will start picking up because there are so many buy orders. They're gonna push this fork up, push this stuff up, and when it pushes it up, what continues? Then we have like a relief rally. So like a retest of this and coming down is going to give us that relief rally. So basically, this is number one, DXY relativity to crypto, and I think DST 2022 is just making people aware of the power of how all this, how the system and the world system correlates with cryptocurrencies as well. Number two strategy I talked about is the DCA long-term strategy. I said there are blue chips you want to be DCAing on. You want to set an amount of money, you just want to be buying in bits. You don't want to like take it. Let's say you have $5,000 right now. If you have $5,000 right now, you don't want to carry your whole $5,000 and just go and buy a particular cryptocurrency, even if it is going to be very bullish. Even no matter how bullish it is, you don't just want to put everything at once. You want to have a DCA plan because the market is quite unstable. So the DCA plan helps you to catch better prices at cheaper prices as well. So you like buying parts and parts and parts and parts, and you should have, and this year shouldn't just be on any shit coin or just rubbish coin. You want to focus on blue chips where they are strong convictions. Probably maybe in my next videos or one of the next series of videos I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be talking about certain blue chips I am DCAing myself. Of course, nothing I'm saying is financial advice, but basically I'm just going to share what I'm doing, and it is your choice to learn from what is being done or not. Number three, which is what I call sub-trend catalyst. Sub-trend catalyst. And I'm going to give an example of strong sub-trend catalyst. An example of sub-trend catalyst with the category section of cryptocurrency. And in whether the market is bullish or bearish, many of times there will always be this trend that just pops up, and with a new utility, new use case, and a way of bridging a Web3 utility that's just going to blow the minds of people and the masses. And people get so much hyped about it that forms a new category of cryptocurrencies. A new trend of cryptocurrencies come like this. This is like a catalyst. And I think we have one of them that recently came, which is the move to N. I don't know if it is here among this section, but we had a move to N category that just came in, and we are currently having a lot of move to N tokens. A lot of move to N tokens. Okay, like last year we had the fast category, which is the farming as a service, and people were able to hop on this very, very early, made crazy amount of money. We also have the OHM fork. OHM fork made people who had like $100 were able to make as much as 500,000 to almost $1 million within 60 to 90 days on OHM forks. People who were early on that. So we have a lot of section right here. And one of the sections that is actually booming right now is the move to N. The move to earn is booming. But one thing you just need to know is that as much as it is going to be booming, there will be scams, there will be losses, but there are many that are literally making people a lot of money. And you want to see how you can maximize, okay, what is going to be the next sub-trend catalyst? Can I hop on this next sub-trend and you're going to be able to make money? So yes, the market year is bearish. Yes, we're in a bearish market, but many millionaires were made out of GMT. Many millionaires were made out of Step Up. Many millionaires were made out of dot modes. I think a couple last week I talked about a particular project, which was the Movesy. And the Movesy, the IDO was filled up within seconds, guys. Seconds. Within seconds was filled up in a bearish market. That's just so how the power of understanding sub-trend catalysts. So whether the market is bearish or not, you are poised to make a lot of money. A lot of money. And you just have to learn how to filter the noise. I always say the cryptocurrency market space is very noisy. So you want to learn how to filter the noise and maximize this sub-trend catalyst. Now, there are a lot of other tricks that you could actually apply, and which I'm going to be covering a lot in the next series of videos we are going to be talking about. These are like the three main crypto tricks that when you apply in this year 2022, you will be profitable. You will have a hedge against more than what majority of the persons do not have elsewhere. In my incoming videos, I'm going to like go into details of a lot of things and sharing a lot of insight for us on how we could actually maximize the benefits that are involved or are available to us in the crypto market, regardless of the market state as well. So If this video meets you well and you learn something or two, you have a question, feel free to drop it on the comment section as well. If you love to be a part of our mentorship circle, or you want to have access to the recordings of the monthly crypto millionaire events and being a part of any of these groups as well that we hold private mentorship, you just feel free to actually check the comment section of this YouTube video, and then you could click on any of these links and just follow the prompts as well. So guys, like I always say, if the student be ready, the Shifu will up here. Bye for now. See you in our next video. And what I'm going to be teaching in the next video is going to be like mind blowing. I believe you don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss out on what the content that's going to be coming on the next video as well. Bye for now, guys. See you soon.